Good morning, children. Children, in the last class, we have completed chapter number 4, long and short. So, children, in this chapter, we have learned how to measure an object with the help of ruler or a scale. And we have also learned the different types of measurement units like kilometer, meter, centimeter. So by this chapter, long and short, now you can easily differentiate between the objects whenever it is long or short. So for today, children, we will start a new chapter, chapter number 5, shapes and designs, at the page number 60. So now children, here I have some shapes. So shape 1 is shape 1 is triangle. Now the second shape, the third shape, and the fourth shape. So now children, will you tell me the name of these shapes? Okay, I will just tell you. So this first shape is known as a triangle because it has 3 sides, number 1, number 2, number 3. Now where the second shape? So children, this shape has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape is known as a square. Now for the third. Actually children, you can see that it has also 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you may ask that, ma'am, is it a square? But no children, it is not a square, but it is called as a rectangle, because the difference between the square and the rectangle is that square has all 4 sides equal. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 all sides are equal, but rectangle for rectangle the adjacent sides are not equal. That means they have the 4 sides are not equal for a rectangle. Now the last one is that round shape is known as a circle. So children, in this way you are familiar with 4 shapes: triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Okay children, so now due to these shapes, now you have an interesting activity. Children, this is a clone. So now in this clone you have to color by different shape by different color. Actually children, like look at this shape. So this is a triangle. So now you have to color it by a red color. Now look at his eyes. So eyes is in a square shape. So now you have to fill with yellow color. Now if you see his nose is also in a triangle shape. So what is the color for this nose? Is the red. Now children, look at the stomach. So is it round shape? That means this is a circle. So now you have to fill with green color. And now look at his head. So this particular children, this is a rectangle shape. So now you have to fill with blue color. So children, in this way you have to complete this complete or color this clone at page number 61. So children, okay. Now children, how many triangles are there in the following figure? So now children, look at this figure. Now let's start counting. Like 1 triangle, 2 triangle number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, it is only 10 triangles in this figure or more than 8 triangles, sorry. The answer is that this figure has more than 8 triangles, where this is the 9th triangle, this is the 10th triangle, now this is the 11th triangle, and this is a 12th triangle. So how many triangles this figure has? So it has 12 triangles. Okay. So now children, now for particular these two figures you have to count, that means how many triangles, and you will tell me the how many triangles these figure have. Now for this you have to find the biggest rectangle in the following given figure. So now this is a figure. So there is a marking of this particular biggest triangle. Now we have to find out for particular this diagram. So children, can you see that particular this up to this. So for particular this figure, this is the biggest rectangle for this figure. Now if you moving toward this third figure, so children, you can see that biggest rectangle is this, this, and this. Okay, and for the last children, the biggest rectangle shape is this. So children, from this now you will differentiate between different shapes. So the triangle, square, the square, the rectangle, and the circle. Now children, we will moving towards the edges and the corner. Now so children, Meeta and her 5 friends were playing a game. Tinku was blindfolded and asked to keep clapping as long as he wished while the other would move round the table. So children, there is a table and there are 5 friends. There are Meeta and her 5 friends playing a game. जो एक गेम खेल रहे हैं और जो टिंकू है वो ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड है, उसकी आंखों में पट्टी बंधी है. और उससे बोला, और उसके मीता ने उससे बोला कि जब तक तुम्हारा मन करे तुम क्लैपिंग करना, उसके बाद जो हम लोग हैं हम इस टेबल के चारों ओर क्या करेंगे, घूमेंगे. सो द मोमेंट टिंकू स्टॉप क्लैपिंग, सो जब ये लोग गेम खेल रहे थे तब टिंकू ने क्या किया, क्लैपिंग करना बंद कर दिया. तो जो सारे जो ये बच्चे थे, पांचों बच्चे थे, ये क्या हुए, ये रुक गए. तो नाउ द चाइल्ड हु वाज नॉट एट द कॉर्नर वुड बी आउट, देन शी वुड बी ब्लाइंडफोल्डेड. तो उसने ये बोला कि अब जब गेम में जो भी बच्चा पर्टिकुलर कॉर्नर पे, मतलब देखो ये बच्चों, एक ये टेबल है, इसके कितने कॉर्नर है, कॉर्नर 1, कॉर्नर 2, कॉर्नर 3 और कॉर्नर 4. तो इन कॉर्नर पे जो बच्चा नहीं होगा वो बच्चा क्या होगा, आउट हो जाएगा और फिर वो ब्लाइंडफोल्डेड हो जाएगा. तो जब उसमें गेम स्टार्ट किया तो देखा कि 4 बच्चे तो कॉर्नर पे थे, मतलब कौन कौन, छोटू, राजा, मीता एंड बंटी. सो these children were at the corners of the table, but the Guddu, the shape of Guddu, actually the position of Guddu is not at the corner. So now children, just tell me the question of the answer of that question. The first question is that looking at the picture given above, can you tell who is out? हाँ, तो बच्चों, अब तुम बता सकती हो कि इसमें से कौन आउट हुआ, गुड्डू. यस, गुड्डू क्या हुआ, इसमें से आउट हो गया. ओके, अच्छा ये बताओ, वेयर इज गुड्डू स्टैंडिंग. तो गुड्डू कहाँ खड़ा है, गुड्डू खड़ा कहाँ, वो मिडल ऑफ द टेबल. गुड्डू कहाँ पे खड़ा है, वो मिडल ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द टेबल, मतलब एक ये टेबल है तो इसके मिडल पे खड़ा है, इसलिए. और वो आउट भी इसीलिए हुआ था क्योंकि वो टेबल के कॉर्नर पे नहीं था. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन इज दैट कैन दिस गेम बी प्लेड अराउंड अ राउंड टेबल. मतलब क्या बच्चों, जो ये वाला गेम है आप ये राउंड टेबल पर खेल सकते हो, नहीं खेल सकते हो. क्यों नहीं खेल सकते हो, क्योंकि राउंड टेबल हैज़ नो कॉर्नर, और अगर इसमें जब कॉर्नर नहीं होगा तो कोई भी आउट नहीं होगा. तो इसलिए हम ये जो वाला गेम है हम ये राउंड टेबल पे नहीं खेल सकते, क्योंकि जो राउंड टेबल होती है उसका कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं होता है. सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे this is for the today. In the next class we will discuss about the types of edges, that means which the straight edges or the round edges. So this is for today, and thank you children.